Let's make a pop-up rabbit card for Chinese New Year. It's super easy to make and lots of fun. We're going to use our template. We printed it out on white paper and use it as a guide to cut out our pink bunny. Or why not simply run the pink paper through the printer? That will save you a step and save on paper. You can see that our shapes are simple, so you can draw your own if you don't want to use the template. Once you have all your shapes ready, fold a large piece of card and then start folding your shapes in order to fit them into your card. Fold the face in half, then take an edge about 1 centimeter and make a parallel line. It's really important that it's parallel, and repeat on the other side. When you look at it from the top, it will look like a little W or an M. That's how you make the pop-up face. Now it's time to add your bunny face. Just use some pens and have fun. Time to add the ears. Position behind the head and make a fold that is in line with that edge, and then fold down and glue in place. Repeat on the other side. Remember, when you make that first fold, you need to make one straight line that runs right down the side of the face, so it's all in line, and then fold down the top. Your basic head is ready. Glue the body and tummy in place and make sure the folds are nice and neat. Now it's time to attach the head. You have those two flaps and that little triangle at the top. That's where you add the glue. Repeat on the other side. Look, your basic pop-up is done. All that's left to do now is to add some decorations. I decided to hand cut out some paper lanterns for Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year. You will need a rectangle and a circle, and then you'll need some little yellow rectangles to finish off the lantern effect. Now I also have printable lanterns as part of your bunny printout, so you can either use the printable used or included in the original, or cut your own like I've done here. I've also added some little Happy New Year messages in Chinese, so the printable really is super handy, but as I show you here, you can make your own versions yourself. That's it. Your Year of the Rabbit pop-up is finished. Remember to stick to lucky colours, which are pink, red, purple and blue, and avoid unlucky white, dark brown or dark yellow.